The wind wasn't too bad today, so I decided to test another hyperlapse. I started up with full battery. I'll do a 3-second interval to get as smooth video as possible. And I select 12 seconds duration. It should be more than enough battery to cover that. And starting up. It looks very promising in the beginning, even if it's moving a little bit back and forth. Then suddenly a quick shift towards the right. And then it continues a little bit wiggling back and forth, but should be okay. And then we're finished. This is the final result. It looks a little bit strange in the middle. Here is the wind graph that the drone had to endure during the flight. This should not have been a challenge at all.